What's up, everybody? It's Cameron here with Road Access, and I just want to do a real quick review of the Testudo 3.0 jacket that I got from Up in Smoke, Welding Apparel. I met Mackenzie and got the jacket when I was up at FabTech. Jake recommended it, Jake Schofield, for helpers, and so I just wanted to give you a 30-day review on what I think about it and the use that I got out of it. So here goes. So overall, the jacket holds up pretty well for the most part. Top part here, I don't know if it's like Novex carbon or whatever it is, but I have been welding with it. You can see where it's been taking the sparks from where my arm's been bent. Buttons on the sleeve are holding up well. Same for this side. You see where it eats a lot of sparks. Like I said, I've got 4 60-hour weeks in it, plus some workshops and some welding on the weekends. Overall, I would say it holds up pretty well. The bad part is the bottom. So part of this is probably user error from standing directly behind where I'm grinding, so it's eating a lot of the grinding sparks, and so I've been trying to consciously stand to the side, but it has been eaten away. You can see like some of this wear, I think, on the buttons is directly just from leaning over the pipe. We've been doing a lot of big bore welding. But yeah, so this bottom part is really taking a beating. You can see all the burn marks in it, but for it to be one layer, I think it holds up pretty well for the amount of use that I've given to it. Like I said, a lot of big bore pipe, a lot of grinding, a lot of cutting and stuff, so it's been taking it. But yeah, here's the tag. Testudo 3.0. I have a size large. I am 5'9", 175 pounds. It fits me pretty well. Fits like a jacket should. I can put a couple layers underneath it. Overall, I would say I would buy it again. I would probably be a little bit more cautious about standing to the side and trying to avoid it. I haven't washed it or anything, so all this is just from work. I've been wearing it, like I said, like a jacket over the top of my welding shirts. Yeah, so I would probably buy it again. I probably will buy another one. I've been wearing it over the top of, because it's FR, I've been wearing it over the top of my t-shirts and stuff. When I would do wear a t-shirt to work, I wear it over the top of my welding shirts and hoodies and stuff, so I can wear a couple layers underneath it, which is great for some of these colder mornings, but it served me well so far. Let me get out of the road. It served me well so far, I think, so. It was like 170 something Canadian dollars, which I think came out to like 140 US dollars. I don't remember. I bought it, again, like I said, at FabTech, so I don't really remember what I paid for it. It was kind of I was there while Mackenzie was there, so I got to meet him, which was neat. And yeah, like I said, Jake recommended it to me pretty well. I was going to buy the one that he, the leather sleeves or whatever, but he said for helping that this was probably going to be the better one to buy. I'd like to try out one of their other jackets and see. I try to weld every day or every couple of days at work, so it is getting some weld splatter and crap directly on it. Like I got a burn on my arm from yesterday wearing it, went straight through. Oh, there we go. It basically held the spark, burnt the crap out of my arm, which obviously gonna happen anyway, but I was wearing a short sleeve shirt underneath the jacket, so there was one layer of protection, so it got my arm pretty good. But yeah, so 30 days of wear, well, 30-day review, 1 month review. I guess for something I wear 6 days a week, so now I've worn it for 4 weeks, plus, like I said, a handful of practice days. I'll probably have another week or two's worth of work in it outside of that, so we'll call it a 6-week review. My recommendation would be to buy it. I would just be cautious of standing, like, especially because I'm kind of new to it again, standing directly over the top of the bevel while I'm trying to look and see what I'm grinding. I have this habit of basically putting the grinder down, kind of turning away and then grinding, but I'm basically taking all the sparks straight to the stomach. I got a lot of wire wheels stuck in my inside of my thigh. So now that I've noticed that the jacket has kind of deteriorated in that area, I've been kind of standing more to the side. It's tearing my jeans up there too. So I know that's partially on me, but sometimes you can't help it, and it's gonna have to take some sparks. So worth the money, definitely. I would just say be cautious of where you wear it. And yeah, if you're going to be welding, I'd probably look into something else. I wouldn't weld in it all day, every day. But as far as being a product for a helper, I definitely would buy it. And I happen to be wearing the same hat. So yeah, I'm going to be doing a little bit more reviews and stuff on random products. Basically anything that I buy that I feel like is like worth it. As part of my How to Be a Helper series, I'm doing, like get ready for the job and stuff like that. So I'll talk about the same kind of interval where I'm at, month and a half, on basically the clothes that I've bought, the jeans that I've bought, what I think, and basically any tools that I buy. I will be doing a review on that too, what I feel, if it's worth it, what I paid for it. And that way, once I get my website up and going, I have like a running sheet that I've been doing of basically everything that I've bought up to this point for work. That way you guys can see what it costs to get into it. You can probably shortcut some of the things that I bought, like what I paid for my welding machine. You can probably find, or I know you can find 200s or whatever cheaper than that. You probably won't get what I got for the price that I got, but yeah. Stay tuned for more product reviews and the rest of the How to Be a Helper series, which should be uploaded soon. I'm recording it week to week, but the first video should go up this week, and I'm trying to do week after week after that, or every week after that. I think I got a total of 12 videos lined out. So yeah, see you guys. If you like it. If you don't. Subscribe, share, whatever. Peace.